Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to see what you can do if one of your MP4 video files has been corrupted and you're looking to repair them. Now, of course, if one of your MP4 video files has been corrupted, one of the reasons could be that you were, for example, recording using a camera and mid video something happened to the camera. For example, the camera shut down, or there could be any other glitches or existing factors due to which you couldn't complete the recording and the video you were recording got corrupted. Now, it's a pretty simple process, and I will show you two ways you can do this for free. So you won't be able to pay anything, you won't need to pay anything at all in order to repair one of your corrupted videos, as this video will be your one-stop solution in knowing to understand how you can fix one of your repaired videos for completely free. So the first website that we're on Google or your other web browser will be Video Repair. This is video repair right here. So what you're going to do is in your web browser, you're simply going to search video repair. And after you do that, of course, this is the website that you need to open. This will be the home screen of the website. Now you can do this in the first way. You can do this in 3 steps. Step number one is upload a broken, corrupt, or unplayable video. Second is upload healthy sample, and third is download repaired file. So it's a straightforward process and the easiest process in this video. What you'll have to do is first of all, you will add the corrupted video, that video that has been corrupted. And this also actually supports many different file types. So whether you've recorded from your smartphone, you've recorded from a digital camera, you've recorded from any other camera, it will support that video format. So you'll just simply, first of all, add your corrupted file right over here, your video that has been ruined because it has been corrupted. You will add that. After you've added one of your corrupted files, what you're going to do is you will upload a healthy sample. So you'll just see a similar screen like this where you need to choose file. When you press on choose file, it will redirect you to your library where you can select your chosen video. After you select your corrupted video, you will upload a healthy sample, which means that upload a proper video that isn't corrupted at all and is going smoothly. And the condition you need to meet for this is that both video number one and video number two have been recorded by the same camera. It has been recorded in the same settings, and it has basically have the same condition. It's the same video format. It's the same camera. So just make sure that these are the things that are similar between video one and video two. And after you've done that, you will just press on enter. And after that, you will download your repaired file. Once you've added your healthy sample, it will just take a bit of time to analyze and repair. And after that, you just simply, when step three comes, you will download your repaired file. And that's step one. Now, your second step will be using VLC Media Player. Of course, if you don't have VLC Media Player in your laptop, you can download it. And after you've downloaded it, what you'll do is, first of all, you'll just simply open VLC Media Player. Don't add a video in it yet. From here, you will go on Tools. As you can see on the top left menu, you will go on Tools. And from Tools, in the drop-down menu, you will select Preferences. Now, once you select preferences, this is the screen that you're going to see. And from here, you will go on input/codecs. Once you go right over here, you will just go on the bottom and you will go over here, damaged or incomplete AVI file, which basically means corrupted file. And from here, you will go on the drop down menu and you will press on always fix. Once you press on always fix, you will just press on save. And now one last thing that you need to do is your corrupted file, you would see that most probably at the end it's written .mp4. Simply what you'll have to do is instead of .mp4, just replace it with .avi. And after that, when you open the file using VLC Media Player, it would simply just take a bit of time. It could happen instantly as well, but it will repair your corrupted file, and that will all you need to do. So these are two ways that you can use in order to repair your corrupted video file in free. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.